Hey y'all, Model Man Frank here. We're going to fly the PT-19. Enjoy the show. I don't want to do flips and rolls with this thing yet. I just want to get used to flying it first. Always wants to pitch up. I don't like that. Porpoising like crazy. Too much tail heavy, that's what it is. You gotta add more weight to the nose. I think 1 or 2 drops in the front will work out. All right, here we go. We're going to land.
Well, this will have to be mounted down firmly because this has safe and all that in it. Yep. So it'll have to be
Oh boy,
totally
too high.
But we can go on the side.
Yeah, I'm coming. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. No, go ahead. I'll wait for you.
Because when you go through and set it up, you're going to have to set it up on end. You're going to set it level. And hopefully the numbers are right. And you can adjust
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
And let's see, you know, how the ailerons, is it, are they individually wired or are they wired?
No, they're wired together.
And flaps with channel
5. Flat channel 5. That's all working.
Right flat, it has a right flat.
Okay, I'm going to have to try it one more time
They're
again.
together though.
Definitely slow down.
They're together.
This plane comes in really fast, guys. Anybody that gets it, definitely, you gotta definitely try and slow it down as much as you can.
You need to go tell them how it's set up. System set up. Yes. Aircraft
Only took, what, 5 times to try and get a land.
You gotta get used to the wetlands.
Yep.
It's understandable.
Oh yeah, new plane. Definitely needs a little bit more weight in the nose, I can tell that much for sure. Definitely flies like a fighter plane, guys. So if you like flying fighters, you'll like flying these little things. You ever find one used? Well guys, hope you liked the show. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button and hit the bell icon when the videos go live. You'll be notified. We'll catch you on the next one. Model Man Freak out.